How to view Instagram profiles anonymously. First things first, you have to open a Chrome window. Then you must input Instagram profile viewer in your search bar and then hit enter. After you've done that, go ahead and click the second link on the search bar. Now you'll be led to this website called GramSnap. Here you can enter your username of the account. After you have entered the username of the account, go ahead and click enter. Here you can see that I can see posts, stories, highlights, as well as reels that this account has uploaded. Here you can see if I click post, I can see every single post this account has made. And if I click on a post, you can see that there is a blue download button appearing. And if I click this button, you can see that there is a pop-up window asking me to save this image. Therefore, I can download these files as well. And just like that, you can download files from Instagram anonymously without the user ever knowing. That'll be about that. Until next time, see ya.